Put on your party hats, vaulters. We've officially hit over 1,000 subscribers to Lessons with Lenny. Hi, I'm Lenny Rome, the Vault Guy. You know, this channel isn't your average one-off YouTube experience, but my daughter-in-law and invaluable producer Tara and I gambled that there were enough viewers interested in discovering the incredible Vault particle while also learning fundamental scientific concepts that showcase the real beauty and ingenuity of cell biology. I can't thank you enough for 1, putting in the time to follow the Vault story, 2, liking and commenting on the various episodes, and 3, subscribing to the channel. I've been fascinated by the Vault particle for nearly 40 years, and I'll try to tell the Vault story as long as you have the desire to hear it and I have the energy to produce these lessons. As a small token of my appreciation, I'm going to send one of my subscribers this Vault model that I made on my 3D printer. It's based on the highest resolution X-ray and cryo-EM structures available. And, like the actual Vault, I've engineered the model to give it a new function. To enter, simply share a brief comment below on what you've most enjoyed learning through Lessons with Lenny. This giveaway, unfortunately, is only available to people in the continental US, and the winner will be randomly chosen a month from when this video was posted. You can find all the terms and conditions outlined in the description below. For now, keep watching Lessons with Lenny, and remember, ask not what vaults do, ask what you can do with vaults.